Hello everyone. Let's make hummus. You helping mommy make hummus? Yeah? Please. Good job. Okay, now let's put the tahini. Tahini, say tahini. Tahini. Okay, need some salt. Salt. Little bit of oil. Black pepper. Okay. You eating that? Okay. Now let's blend. Blend. Let's do it. Oh, we forgot the garlic. The most important thing. Garlic, say garlic. Garlic. Here. Flip the side.
Hi, Sia. Hi. Good. And then this one's so fun.
You want to put some tomatoes?
Okay, this is. Hi. You can eat some tomato right here. She picked from her garden.
Here, see. Very good.
What do you think? What do you think I'm here for? What do you think I'm here for?
What do you want?
Eating.
Oh,
And taking a
I thought you were here for looking.
and eating and looking and eating and everything.